You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
Ah, the Bahamas, that sweet, sweet country located in the Caribbean that consists of 700 islands. It is the ideal location to go scuba diving with exotic fishes, playing on the beach, swimming in the ocean, having long walks, or relaxing at the Atlantis resorts. And even storing away large sums of cash for elite businessmen. Yes, you heard that right. The Bahamas is known to be the tax haven of the wealthiest people on the face of this planet. How do I know this? My name is Harold Beckman, and I've been a private banker in the Bahamas for almost 12 years now, and it's safe to say I have seen it all. I've had clients involved in dirty businesses, but as well as I have had very respectable businessmen, politicians, the types of folks who want to keep their money in a safe and secure place in order to keep their assets private. And quite recently, there is a humongous flow of binary option traders funneling their accounts to the Bahamas. Why? Because they are making a killing in the financial markets using this one simple technique, which I will reveal to you shortly.
I had a buddy of mine, Jake. He was a little on the slow side, if you know what I mean. But he was making big money online. And I always asked him, "What's your secret, man?" And for a while, he never told me how he was able to make all that cash. Then, one day, he says 2 words, Bahama Banker. So just 2 days ago, I signed up to the Bahama Banker system. Yesterday, I made $805. Today, I made $654. This is crazy. All I can say is, thank you, Bahama Banker.
What I'm going to show you today is the most guaranteed and safest method of making money online by trading the financial markets, all done for you, using the same method that almost all of my clients are taking advantage of and bringing in serious money. You might be thinking that getting paid thousands of dollars a week sounds too good to be true, right? Let me tell you something. Never underestimate the power of the financial markets. If you have that sort of loser's mentality, please do me a favor and close this page, because I don't want pessimistic-minded folks like you on my winning team. However, if you are willing to take part in my journey and join our team of 10,523 members, then stick around and please continue watching this very short life-changing video. What is Bahama Banker, you may ask? Well, it is a financial trading software that we just released, and we're offering it for free for a very limited time only. Bahama Banker is a simple one-click financial market trading software that does all of the hard work for you. It uses high-frequency trading strategies in order to place only winning trades on your behalf. See, this type of technology is only available to the elite. It's highly powerful, but it's highly dangerous if it falls into the hands of the wrong people. By using such high-frequency trading algorithms, we are able to buy and sell shares in a matter of fractions of a second. During that fraction of a second, the price of an asset can fluctuate anywhere between 15 to 35 points, or also called pips to those familiar with Forex. These fluctuations are invisible to the naked eye and only visible through the use of supercomputers. And the Bahama Banker system is able to profit massively from that. Now, before I explain to you how the system works, let me tell you how we got started in the development. A few years ago, I was dealing with a client of mine, a Russian by the name of Dmitry. Now, Dmitry was young at the time and he did not look like your regular millionaire. He came into my office here in Nassau and said, "I need your help to funnel $22.5 million in the following week." At first, I thought he was kidding and I was ready to throw him out of my office for trying to waste my time. But I quickly learned that he was an online trader. He showed me his software, which was able to place trades in a very, very short nick of time, and he was profiting massively from each of his trades. It did not matter whether the price was going up or down. He was able to access trades at fractions of a second, and at that rate, he was able to profit from almost every single position that he held. However, what intrigued me the most was that the software was doing it all on autopilot and choosing the trades for him. See, when dealing with high-frequency trades, it's almost impossible to do it all manually, or else you have a high chance of losing more money than you imagined. After proving me that his money was legit, he did not come from suspicious businesses, I helped him out and set him up his offshore account for free, on one condition, that he let me and my partners have access to this software, and he agreed. Now, after my lads and I started using the software, we were astonished by its power. Soon enough, with Dimitri's approval of course, we decided to launch this software to a small portion of the public in order to share our new money-generating platform. After 2.5 years of trial and error, we have got our system fully optimized, and we're proud to say that we have a terrific winning rate of 96.1% on all trades. With high-frequency trading, you can't go wrong. The software is designed to enter and exit only profitable trades, all done during a matter of milliseconds. Over the course of these last years, we have never seen losing days, but rather only winning days. Basically, we're bulletproof. Now, if you're the type of person that overthinks and overanalyzes every single situation, well, I wouldn't be surprised that you're still not successful. Reason being that you haven't taken any action yet. Imagine what it would feel like if you turned down this opportunity today, and a few months from now, you see your friends enjoying the life they deserve and driving the car that you wanted to drive simply because they took action and entered in their email and signed up for the Bahama Banker system. On the other hand, if you do sign up for our free system, which I urge you to do so now, chances are you will start living the life that you always dreamt of because you took action and got rewarded. It's that simple. Before going any further, I want to make it very clear that Bahama Banker is not like those other online crappy auto trading robots that are programmed to make you lose. Our software uses proprietary high-frequency trading algorithms to place winning trades. Now, as we speak, all those other online scam trading robots are going bust. It's about time they shut those losers down and let experienced professionals like us show how real business is done. If you are familiar with these other so-called trading bots, they usually all offer the same empty promises about being able to predict the markets and that they can make you a millionaire overnight. But the sad reality is that despite all of the claims, they never seem to live up to the hype. These softwares all have their foundations built on gambling strategies such as the martingale system, the Fibonacci system, the Paroli system. I don't know about you, but I'm not a gambling man. I don't like to take uncalculated stupid risks and put all my money on strategies built for degenerate gamblers. However, I have proven without a shadow of a doubt that Bahama Banker is not just fundamentally different from all these other programs, but that its reliability and success are in fact 100% guaranteed. Simply put, our system relies on state-of-the-art high-frequency trading supercomputers. As I said, we tried to build this app as simple as possible. You're only a click away from reaping huge profits. Have a look here. Okay, great. See how easy that was? As you see, the average expected monthly profits range from $15,400 to $25,800. Let me remind you that to start using Bahama Banker, no trading experience is required, and the entire process is so simple that when you get home after a long day at work, you can just sit back and relax as the money rolls in at the push of a button. With Bahama Banker, you don't need to have a degree in economics or finance in order to invest and to earn some extra cash. The system does it all for you. Now, here comes the part where you ask yourself this: why is this guy giving out the Bahama Banker software for free if it is indeed making this much money? The answer to that question is very simple. One person is not able to place trades as much as 100 or 1,000 persons. The software can only be connected to a few brokers at the same time. taking into consideration that their maximum trading caps and limits set in place by the brokers, I am unable to reap all the profits by myself. However, by distributing my software for free, I am able to amass thousands of potential traders, and I can simply connect a 1.5% commission on all winning trades. You heard right. I will only collect 1.5% on winning trades only. So it is in my very best interest to make the software run as smooth as possible in order for you and me to profit massively from it. This is what I like to call a win-win scenario. If you still have doubts, which honestly you shouldn't have any by now, think of all our other 10,523 members that are taking advantage of our system and profiting from our global economy. Surely they must be doing something right. But look, if you like to work a regular 9-to-5 job, and if that's your thing, I respect that, and I can't tell you otherwise. But if you are willing to make a change, please go ahead and enter your email to gain access to the software and download the Bahama Banker software absolutely free, no strings attached. Please hurry, as there are only 500 spots available and they are getting filled up fast. Ambition is the first step to success. The second step is action. So if you have the ambition to make loads of money, start taking action now.